everyone. For this assignment, you're going to use some of the preloaded Adobe Express tools to create like a little AI character on this poster, and I'm going to show you each step to complete. So in the assignment instructions on Schoology, you're going to follow that link and it should lead you to this template. And you're going to change all of the elements. But first I'm going to start by clicking the character in the center, and then it should pop up with this little sidebar on the left here, and you're going to click these little like slidey things in the generate image button, and this is where you can change the description. So you're going to choose an animal or a character of some kind, and you're going to give it like a background instruction, kind of follow the sample that's here. So mine was a snapping turtle in a pond surrounded by nature. It can be just as simple as that. You can add more, you can add less, whatever you like. And then you can change some of the styles if you want. Art, graphic, photo, I'm going to keep it at art. And then you can include some of these different styles if you'd like. But I'm just going to click generate. It might take a minute to generate. Sometimes it's kind of slow, but it is thinking. And then here it gives you a couple of different results. So this is the first one. I might like this one a little bit more, so I can choose that if I'd like to. And then you can change some of the like filters if you like as well. Whatever is up to you. I might want to do like a collage theme. We'll see how that changes it. And then you click generate once you choose kind of one of those different things. And it will change your image for you. Cool. I kind of like the way that one looks a little bit better. I think that one's my favorite. So I'm going to stick with that one. And I'm just going to copy the text that I added there. And you're going to copy and paste it here so that I know exactly what prompt you used. Then you're just going to go ahead and change all of the different elements in this poster. So you can delete the instructions here if you want to. You're going to give your character a unique name. I'm going to call mine like Snapper the Snapping Turtle. So now he's got a unique name. To change the background, you can click on the background color. So I clicked out of everything and I'm going to click on background color. You can do custom and then change the color to whatever you would like it to be. I think that one's kind of fun. And then same with this like outline thing, you can change the shape. You can change object. You can describe, if you want to add a different object, you can use AI to create that if you want to. You can remove an object. And you can add different elements as well. So I'm clicking on this left side panel, click elements, and you can type in like frame, and it should come up with some sort of like different shaped frame. So if you want a different shape, you can throw that in there too. But I'm just going to change the color, I think, of this one. So this is my object. You can see all the different objects that you have in here on the right side. And I'm not actually sure how to change the color. So here we go. I'm not sure how to change the color of that one. So if you figure that out, let me know. So this is like pretty good. It looks a little bit more like my own. You could change the font text if you want to. You can change the text style. So I just double clicked here. And you can go ahead and play around with your design as much as you'd like to, change it as much as you want. Just make sure you have a unique title, an AI generated image, and the prompt that you used in order to design that. And then upload it on Schoology whenever you're finished.